Hello traders, welcome to my channel, and today I will talk to you about some candlestick pattern. So in forex you will find a lot of pattern, but in binary few of them work. So the all pattern in forex will not work because the binary is a short time period trading. That's why. So I will talk about some important patterns which will work on binary. So friends, you can see on the screen a double bottom pattern. The first one is a double bottom pattern, and second one is double top pattern. So this type market situation will call double bottom and the double top. And and the next one is engulfing pattern. There is a two engulfing, a bullish engulfing, and another one is a bearish engulfing. And there is a morning star pattern. The two type of morning a morning star pattern number one, and the evening star pattern, and the last one is head and shoulder pattern, right? So this pattern will help you to trading on binary, right? This will work. The double top and double bottom pattern, the engulfing pattern, the morning star and the evening star, and the head and the shoulder pattern. So let's give you some example on a live market. So traders, now we are at the live chart. So to first talk about the engulfing pattern, here you can see in the screen. Here we are seeing a bearish engulfing pattern, right? This is a bearish engulfing pattern. The second candle, the engulf the green one, right? Here you can see the entry point, but the closing point of the sellers are lower than the opening price of the previous buyer. So if you saw this type of candle, we called it a bearish engulfing pattern. So here you can see a bearish engulfing pattern, but you will say that after the bearish engulfing candle there must be another bearish, but no, it will not happen. Why? Because here you can see the trend here is an uptrend, right? On an uptrend, if you saw any bearish engulfing pattern, so this will not work. Here I can see a bearish engulfing pattern, but this is not work, right? And let's talk about the bullish engulfing pattern. This is the bullish engulfing pattern. We know this is the uptrend, right? In the uptrend market, if you saw any bullish candle, there is a possible to next candle will be a green on in an uptrend. But if you saw a bullish engulfing in a downtrend, so it will not work on downtrend. Okay, here you can see a bearish engulfing pattern, right? This is a bearish engulfing pattern, and after that a bearish candle. Okay, okay, now talk about the morning star pattern. Okay, market is not good here. Wait a minute. Just wait a minute. Okay, no morning star pattern I found. Okay, here you can see a double top pattern, right? So this is the first top and this is the second top. If you find this type of double top pattern, right, after a momentum, after a trend, if you find any double top or double bottom pattern, this is the double top pattern, right? Then you have to know that market is now going to change its trend, right? So here you can see double top pattern, and after that market fall to the downward direction, right? similar to the double bottom pattern too. If you saw market is coming to down and make a double bottom pattern, then you come to know that market will go up. Okay. Okay, here you can see it's look like a head and the shoulder pattern, right? So this is the head and this one, and this one is the shoulder, right? So if you saw this type of pattern, then you also have to know the market will go more down. Here you can see the one shoulder and market broke out, reverse, market again tried to go up but didn't. Market made a bearish candle, right? If you saw this type of pattern, the hidden shoulder, this will also work on binary, right? Like here, and here you can see it's look like a what it's look like a morning, sorry, it's look like a evening star pattern on uptrend, right? If it was an evening star pattern on uptrend, then it's also will not work properly, because after this evening star pattern you will find a retracement. Not only evening star pattern, also in morning star pattern. After a morning star pattern or evening star pattern, you will find a retracement candle, right? So if you find this type, this evening or the morning star pattern, then wait and try to place a trade with some margin of safety. It will increase your winning ratio. So friends, this is about today's video. I will give you some good some examples on next video.